Singapore Changi Airport Terminal 1, Gate 5 because we'll be flying Emirates. We just checked in our luggage and now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be going to the one, the only, the iconic, world famous Jewel Changi Airport. What I love about Terminal 1 of Changi Airport is that Jewel is literally right smack next to it. So from Terminal 1, you just cross this road right here. You'll see cars. It may be 10 PM, but it's still busy. It's Singapore, ladies and gentlemen. So once you cross the road, there's just one more road to cross before entering Jewel Changi Airport. There we go, as you can see, Jewel is right there and Terminal 1 is right there. And now we're gonna be exploring Jewel Changi Airport, especially at night because right now it's nearly 10 PM. So I'm gonna assume that most of the shops in Jewel Changi Airport are closed. Well, that's why I'm here, ladies and gentlemen, to bring you guys along with me on my journey and explore what there is to see in Jewel Changi Airport at this time of the day. Here we are, Jewel Changi Airport, and the first thing that will catch your eye, ladies and gentlemen, is the one and only rainfall. That's right, it's such a beautiful sight and it is especially nice when you come at night. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the lights. Obviously the light turns off as soon as I pan the camera at it, but yeah, just a minute ago you guys saw there was light. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the rainfall has stopped. There is no more rainfall. I'm not sure why. So what a shame, ladies and gentlemen. At 10 PM, the rain vortex rainfall is shut. I did not know that. What a shame. I would have come a bit earlier had I known that. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get your pictures, if you want to see the rainfall for yourself, if you want to see the light show, you have to come way before 10 o'clock because at 10 o'clock on the dot is off. Just like that. As a local, I've been to the Jewel Changi Airport many times. Okay, that was a bit too many manys. And over here is a very popular attraction in the Jewel Changi Airport. I do not recall the name of it. I'll pop it up on screen right here. But basically, you can enter like a tropical artificial rain, not rain, sorry. I was going to say rain vortex. Rain vortex is the one there. There's a mirror maze over there. There's the bouncy thing. I call it bouncy thing because again, I do not remember the name of it. I'll pop it up on screen once again. But I've been here with my family before and it's really a vibe. It's so much fun. And if you're here for a layover and you've decided to come to Jewel, if you're here as a local with your family friends, or if you're just having a holiday here in Singapore and you decide to spend a day at the Jewel Changi Airport, because by the way, there's so much to do, you definitely have to kind of put aside half a day to even a day just to explore the entire airport. But yeah, I'll pop up a picture of me on this attraction if I can find it. But you can bounce on it, you can even walk, and there's one which if you're afraid of heights, it may be a bit shabby for you, but in my case, it was pretty fun, where basically you walk and below you is like all the shops and other places in the Jewel Changi Airport. That's definitely something that you can consider checking out when you're here at the Jewel Changi Airport. But just take a look at this. Just take a second to appreciate this view. I know it's artificial, I know it's not as beautiful as God's creations and God's nature, but when you're in an airport, you can't really beg and ask for too much. It really does not feel like you're at an airport when you're looking at this. You could literally just stand here, take a very nice photo with the rainfall, which by the way, this right here is I think a really picturesque spot for you to take your pictures. There isn't much of a crowd, like I said again, it is night time, so there isn't much of a crowd compared to peak hours. Be sure to come here, level 4, to get your pictures by the rain vortex in the Jewel Changi Airport. So from level 4 here, you really have a bird's eye view of the rain vortex. Again, I'm really gutted that there's no rainfall when I am recording this video, which is such a shame. I got it for like 2-3 seconds at the start. And take a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That is the monorail, or what do you call that? Not bullet train, buggy. It's not buggy. What is this called? It's a monorail kind of shuttle bus, not shuttle bus. Shuttle train, shuttle service. Sorry, my mic cover dropped. Which will take you from terminal to terminal. Fun fact, ladies and gentlemen, this Apple store right here in Jewel is literally where I bought all my Apple products. This phone that I'm using to record this video, it was all bought here at the Apple store in Jewel Changi Airport. And I really love this store because it just gives me a reason to come and visit Jewel Changi Airport. And I guess that's one of the perks living in Singapore. The fact that you can just enter Jewel Changi Airport at any given time, and you don't have to wait for a layover in Singapore or a trip to Singapore to actually come to Jewel Changi Airport. You can literally come at any given moment if you live here in Singapore. One thing that was on my mind before filming this video and while planning for this video is that Jewel Changi Airport, yes, it's extremely famous, yes, it's known worldwide, everyone from literally every corner of the world would know it's Jewel Changi Airport, but at night, because currently it is around 10 p.m. Singapore time, will many of the shops still be open? And just by looking at it, just a quick breeze, it does seem that yes, a fair few shops are closed. Like for example, this shop here looks like it's just about closed. That cafe is closed. So yeah, understandably, there are a lot of shops that are closed. However, there are still many shops that are open. I mean, after all, it is a airport. But definitely you'll find a cafe to grab your coffee. I know some of you, myself included, need that coffee, need that caffeine boost before flying. But again, like I say, even locals come here all the time. It is a nice place to hang out, chill with your friends, with your family, go and catch a movie, or hang out at one of the cafes. The only problem is obviously when you're in an airport, you can expect airport tourist prices. When I heard that this Pokemon store here in the Jewel Changi Airport is extremely famous. I'm not a fan of Pokemon and I'm not going to pretend like I know anything about Pokemon. But for all those Pokemon fans or those who have some knowledge on Pokemon, let me know in the comment section. What's the hype about this store? Oh wow, they have an entire bear brick store. And this cafe literally has a few of them. Now, don't know too much about these bear bricks, but I know that they can be worth a lot and a lot of money. I'm talking tens and thousands. I'm staying as far away as that from possible, ladies and gentlemen. I am not keen on having such a figure in my house or anywhere near me. And basically, Jewel Changi Airport doesn't feel like an airport. It feels like a shopping mall, a huge shopping mall. Well, it may not be as big as other malls like the Dubai Mall, which is like the biggest mall in the world. But definitely, ladies and gentlemen, they have done a wonderful job at making an airport not feel like an airport. And I know sometimes, right, when you have a long flight and you're having a layover, you don't want to be in that stressful, bright lights environment of an airport, especially if you don't have you don't have a lounge to be at. So being at Jewel Changi Airport just feels so chill and so relaxed, especially at night. I know there's no waterfall right now, but just take a look at this view, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this video has brought you some clarity with what Jewel Changi Airport looks like at night, what you can expect, what places are still open, what places are closed. Like for example, obviously Foot Locker, Nike, those kind of apparel places are closed. F&B, there are still a fair few amount, like Shake Shack over there, which is still open. But I hope this video has been helpful, has been informational, and has guided you on your stay here at Jewel Changi Airport. And yes, don't make the same mistake as me. Come before 10 p.m. so that you can catch the rain vortex and not be disappointed. Now, obviously, Shake Shack, for any of the Muslim viewers watching, it's not halal. So even though I am showcasing it in my video, it's just for the sake of showcasing it. Please do not purchase it, it's not halal. And be sure to check out my video where I'm flying from Singapore all the way to Manchester, England with a layover in Dubai. Be sure to check out all the videos. I'm not sure which video will come out first. I still have to think about that one, but I'll link all of them in the description if they're already out. Or you can just check out my channel profile and check out all my videos. There's going to be a video of what to do in your layover at Dubai. I've got some things up my sleeve for that one. I'm talking gym, I'm talking showers. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is possible in just 1 hour. Check out that video, and obviously how the entire flight experience is like on Emirates from Singapore to Manchester. And yes, of course, when I am in Manchester, I will be filming lots of content. I'll be visiting Old Trafford and hopefully catching Manchester United play against Spurs. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. But as always, ladies and gentlemen, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.